YouTube channel. Team ForceBolt is back again with an exciting piece of news for you. So, excited to uncover what the exciting news is? Then do not forget to watch the video till the end. Now, let's move to the video. Google just announced the drop of the latest version of its cross-platform mobile app development kit named Flutter 3.3. The team has focused on replacing its graphic engines to support more specification, bringing more material for widgets. A new rendering engine called Impeller is also coming to knowledge, but only in preview and only for iOS. The new testing rendered will help immensely speed up your application and upgrade to your Dart and much more. The latest version allows your user to create natively compiled mobile, web and desktop apps from one code base. Apart from this, Google also launched a fresh showcase app, Wondrous, built in with Flutter 3.3 and using Impeller on iOS. Now, let's talk about what is new in Flutter 3.3. So, the first improvement is that it has made selection easy. Flutter 3.3 allows user to select the whole data easily and effortlessly in the web-based app with a single sliding gesture by wrapping your widgets with the selectable area widget. This feature offers better control and save times in some specific places. The second is enhanced user experience. Team Flutter also has developed the Wondrous app with G-Skinner team as an open source project to showcase Flutter's captivating UI design to the user. Users can experience world wonders like the Taj Mahal on the electronic gadget using video and image illustration to explore the flawless blend of art, history and culture in one frame. In the coming weeks, the Team Flutter would also share animation and performance techniques to include transient features. Here we come to the third feature, which is the introduction of new graphics engine. Impeller, a new testing phase engine, is also available in version 3.3 to justify the maximum use of modern hardware accelerated graphics APIs. However, it is still in making and testing phase, and a lot of optimization is going on around the same, but as of now, it is available as an early preview in iOS. Last but not the least, updated material design material updates drop many new updates such as changes in now chip, app bar and icon button, etc. As of now, these material widgets improvements are not the default setting, but you can go for the use of Use Material 3. Some minor changes such as API improvement and Scribble support and many are also included in this version. So, that was all for today. We will be back with yet another interesting and knowledgeable piece of content for you. By then, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we post a video. Also, if you like the video, do like, comment and share it with your friends and family. Bye.